Let me say this first. You are not stuck because you lack talent. You're stuck because you're thinking too much, waiting to feel ready, waiting for the perfect idea, waiting for confidence. But confidence doesn't come first, action does. The overthinking trap. Overthinking sounds like this. What if it's not good enough? What if they don't like my photos? What if I fail? So you plan, you tweak, you wait, and nothing gets created. The truth, most beginners don't fail. They never start. Why action matters more than talent. Here's something important. Every creator you admire started with bad work. Blurry photos, awkward videos, cringe edits. They didn't get better by thinking, they got better by doing. Messy action beats perfect planning every time. You don't need more gear, better equipment, a new camera, a perfect setup. You need your camera or phone, your idea, and 10 minutes of courage. Start with what you have. That's how growth begins. The 10-minute rule. Here's a simple trick. Tell yourself, I'll create for just 10 minutes. No pressure, no perfection, just start. Most of the time, once you start, you'll keep going. Done is better than perfect. Perfect doesn't get posted. Done does. You can't improve what you never share. You can't grow in silence. Your first version is allowed to be bad. That's not failure, that's progress. What happens when you start? When you start creating, clarity follows action. Confidence builds naturally. Ideas show up. You stop guessing. You start learning. Momentum is created by movement. If you're waiting for a sign, this is it. Stop overthinking. Start creating. Your future skills are built by what you do today. Press record, take the photo, post the video. You don't need to be ready, you just need to begin.